Ngithi ngiyazi khona laba abathanda ukuthi siyalwa, but we don't give solutions. Now this is how I believe ukuthi a political party should be, in order for that political party to be able to save abantu basemzansi. Number one, ngizokhulumela nje ama-local councillor. Laba abanye nje yikhundla kumele zisuswe because of they don't even exist anyway. Number one, as a local councillor, wonke ama-councillor must be given a basic salary. Whether you performed well, whether the province you must be given a basic salary. And ngokuya ngami ngathi banganikeza nje kuphela ama-20,000 a month. That's it. 20,000 a month. And you don't get imoto. You use public transport so that you can understand the frustrations that we go through as citizens kuma public transport. If you have your own car, it's fine, but the government must not subsidize. The government must not issue you with a car in a space of 12 months. Kulo 12 months leyo mele uhambe ngemoto yakho and pour your own petrol into your own car to assist abantu. Mangabi imoto awunayo, taxi. Mangabi imoto awunayo, Uber. Takes your Uber, it's up to you ukuthi wenza kanjani. Number 3, even if you had a medical aid, maungena and apply to be a councillor, I remove you from the medical aid that you have, or you cancel the medical aid that you have. Awukhanseleli wena phela, ukhanselela wena nefamily yakho, so that you get to experience what the people are going through kuma public hospitals. You can experience the queues that we stand kuma public hospitals. There's no way yokuthi you will be quiet as a councillor if uzothi esibhedlela ufika esibhedlela ngo-11 ekuseni and you are only checked by udoctor ngo-8 ebusuku. If you are a councillor and then they give you such service, then you can fight and you'll fight for the people because of you'll be fighting from experience and you'll be fighting because of you want the system to be better. Ngoba uyabona now the system is not working for you. That's my number 3. Number 4, I remove your kids from any private school. Azi, public schools. You are part of the government. You are part of the government. It means that you must use the resources of the government. Public schools. Let your kids go sit at klasini where there's 60 kids. Let your kids go sit at klasini where an English teacher teaches ngesizulu. Let your kids go sit at klasini where the teachers themselves, not the periods, decide ukuthi kuzamuphi teacher, but it's the teachers themselves who decide whether they go to class or not. Let your kids go experience esikolweni where they teach you, and education yakhona is that will make you someone who'll just be employed and work in a system. Then mangabe umntwana akho kuleso sikolo leso, you will fight as a local councillor to fix indaba yezikolo. You will fight as a local councillor to make sure that we build enough schools emalokishini, because you don't want your child to be in a class of 60 kids. You will fight as a local councillor. You will fight as a local councillor because of you will understand the stress that we go through as parents kulama online system win. You will fight and you will represent the people makunjalo. And if you are using any private security company, be it to track your car, be it an alarm system, recently cancel yonke lento leyo. You are using SAPS. I see. And it's a public service. It's a government initiative. Therefore, you must make use of that as a local council. Mageni gebengu, you must know how long it takes for amaphoyisa ukuthi afike kwakho. Uhleli negebengu and make a call and say bafethu labantu bala endlini and then ngiyaboda nabangangithola I'm dead, they just killed my wife. You'll see ukuthi they'll take how long ukufika in that scene. Some of them won't even come. Once you experience lento leyo, then you will fight for a better service for abantu bakho. You will fight for a better service for ilokishi ohlala kulo. And if you are a councillor and you can afford obohlala endlini ethize, once you put in your application to be a councillor londawo leyo, you are simply saying that you trust the government and nezinto that the government have in place for the people. So siyakususa kulendlu ohlala kuzo aziye RDP, you and your family RDP, so that when people complain about the space that we get kuma RDP, you will understand and you will feel it. When people tell you ngendaba zogesi that we experience kuma RDP, you will understand and you will feel it. When people complain about poor or cheap materials used to build the RDP, you will understand and you will feel it. When people complain about magnetic mvula kugcwala udaga asikwazi ukuphuma because of nitrate, you will understand and you will feel it. So when you speak and fight, the people will know that you are speaking from experience. Sakususa kulama hotel ohlala kuwo, sakususa kulama double store ohlala kuwo, RDP. Angithi it's a government initiative. So if akuhlali wena as a government employee uthi kuhlale bani khona? Uthi kuhlale bani? So that's what mina I will implement. That's what I would plead to the ANC to implement. Lento zama mayor, lento zama what you call this abo gwet izikhundla ezingekho lezo mele nje zisuse zidilizwe. Mele zisuse zidilizwe. Because of as exist azinamsebenzi nganext lezo zinto lezo. That's what I will advise the president to do. But ke ngoba nayo it has a lot to lose, it won't implement. So lama national dialogue la wethu ukumosha imali, ukumosha isikhathi.